Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Events Manager inside Business Manager to start creating your pixel. Click Create a Pixel and follow the prompts to begin. Enter a clear name that reflects the website you will track. Confirm the creation to generate a 16-digit pixel ID that uniquely identifies your pixel. Assign the pixel to the appropriate ad accounts and people in Business Manager. Confirm permissions so partners and team members can access that pixel. Keep the pixel ID handy for setup in the next steps. Choose how to install the pixel on your website using partner integrations or manual code. Use partner integrations like Shopify or WordPress for one-click pixel installation when available. If you install manually, copy the base pixel code into your site's header on every page. Replace the placeholder with your 16-digit pixel ID before saving the header file. After installation, open Events Manager and use test events to confirm page view events fire. Troubleshoot with the Meta Pixel Helper browser extension, if needed. Configure events that matter to your campaigns, such as page view, lead, and purchase. Use the exact standard event names to ensure compatibility with ad optimization and reporting. Map parameters like value and currency on purchase events to capture revenue accurately. Consider enabling the Conversions API to send server events that supplement browser pixel data. Implement both browser pixel and Conversions API together for more reliable tracking. Always validate each event with test events before you publish changes to live campaigns.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.